everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up the Aura digital picture frame. If you've never used a digital picture frame before, it's basically a frame that you can add your photos to using an app. And then the And then the photos displayed on that frame change and rotate automatically throughout the day. And I actually already have one of these, but we liked it so much we got another. Now I'll open it up and show you how it works. Comes with a user guide. And here it is. They have a couple different models to choose from, and this is the Carver frame, which has a 10.1-inch screen. And here's the back. I'll take out the power adapter. Looks like this. And it does always need to be plugged in to work, so I'll plug this side into here. And then this goes into the wall. Now to set it up, I'll download and open the Aura app. Since I already have a frame saved on it, it looks like this. And to add my new frame, I'll tap this icon on the top left, click New Frame. Since this frame is for me, I'll choose It's For Me. And if I was giving this to someone as a gift, I would choose someone else. And now I'll plug it in. Starting up. The frame is now showing a 4-digit code, so I'll type that into the app. The numbers match, so I'll hit Next. Just chose my Wi-Fi network, and that was it. Now it's connected. Then it prompts me to add my photos. I'll choose Select More Photos. Just chose a couple, and now I'll click Add. I can change the name from here, or I can keep it. If I wanted anyone else to be able to add photos to the frame, I can add them here. I'll click this blue plus sign on the right, and I can invite them by typing in either their phone number or email. And they also give you an overview of some of the features. Photos are now all in the frame. And there's a touch bar on the top if you wanted to switch photos. And if you tap the touch bar, it gives more information about the photo. It tells you where it was taken, when it was taken, who added it. And if you tap and hold on the touch bar, you'll get a menu. So you can turn it off or remove the picture. But I'll just close for now. If I wanted to add any more photos, I can go back to the app and choose Add Photos down here. And the last thing I do to set up the frame is I go into the settings on the top right. I'll change the timing, so I'll click that. And I think having the photo change every 4 hours is good, but you can have it change up to every 15 seconds if you want. I'm going to stick with 4 hours though. Then I'll go back, hit close, and that's it. And that's the Aura frame. I love this frame. I got it as a gift a while ago, and I look at it every day. Everyone in my family has access to it, and they're always adding photos, so there's new pictures to look at all the time. And then there's also the old ones mixed in there too. The classics. I think it's so fun. It's a great gift, and you can send them the link to this video so they know how to use it and set it up. Alright, that was my plug. Had to do it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have the Aura frame and if you like it, or if you know of any other good digital picture frames, comment those below too. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Fix my hair. Bye!